Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, where is that fuse for the AC, guys? You can usually see your AC compressor on the bottom, right there. So, that 2013 Hyundai Sonata, guys. That's a fuse box right here. What do we need to do? You need to open it. How we do that now? Simple. You have one tab here, one here. Squish, pull up, and the box will come out. Great. Now, what you need to do here? We have a fuse puller that we need to pull out. Pull on this side, grab it, and get it out, just like that. Next, what do we need to do? We need to go inside. That's where things get interesting, guys. We have some fuses inside, some outside, some are hidden. So we're going to cover quite a bit, and you make sure to stand till the end because it could be any of these fuses that control the AC system, on your Hyundai Sonata, guys, actually. So we're going to cover all that as we go. The first one, guys, that we need to check right here. You need to go ahead, and open that cover, Under that cover, guys, that's where things will get a little bit interesting, We need to start, by looking at this 10 fuse, right here, this 10 fuse. How you pull that thing out, grab, pull out, it will stop, then squish and pull more out. So that's what I will be doing now. Once I remove it, I'll show you guys how to do it, Grab that fuse assembly, pull it out, it will stop, then you're going to come, squish here on each side and pull it more out. Now that fuse that we need to check is that 10 fuse, and you can just simply replace it now. If you guys don't know for sure if the fuse is good or bad, always test them. We have a special video that we made that explains how to easily test, explains how to easily test the fuse, find out if it's good or bad in just a few seconds. That way you will know for sure. Because let's say you think you have a bad fuse, but it's actually you think it's a good fuse, but actually it's a bad fuse. What will happen, guys? You keep throwing more money to fix your car, new AC compressors, all that stuff, when all you had to do just replace the fuse. So I recommend to always test them. Now, this is one of the fuses. We have 5 more to go. Quite a few, guys, right? Now, we need to find one, right here in that assembly, in that fuse box assembly, and it's going to say, on the cover, actually on the fuse, it's going to say A/con. That's for air conditioning, guys. Air conditioning. So let me find where exactly this one is, and I'm going to explain how to remove it, and how to replace it now. So fuse has been located. That's great. Now let me show you where it is. If you guys come on the 4th row from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come from top to bottom, the 3rd fuse, it should be 7.5 amp. 1, 2, 3, this fuse right here, that's for the AC. How you guys pull it? Pretty simple. Grab the fuse puller, spread it, grab the fuse, go on top of it, pull it out, and this is, guys, the fuse. Now when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, just grab it. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one for a really good affordable price. So that fuse has been replaced, but we still have more to go. We still have 4 more fuses, guys, that we three more fuses, I think, that we need to check. So let's go ahead. I'm going to come out and show you what to look for now. So that Hyundai Sonata, the fuse box right here, guys, this is the cover that we have. This cover actually will be facing this way. That way will correspond to what we have right here. And now the first fuse, that we need to check, there is one that says A/con right here in the corner, 10 fuse. It's actually that little bitty guy, right here. So you need to check, make sure that this one is good. Also, guys, you have another one, that is known as RRHTDIND. So looking at it this way, it's I'm trying to focus here. It's this fuse, 10 fuse, the second one from the fuse puller. So this fuse, okay, on this side, you need to check this one as well. Also, you have another one. Okay, this one right here, it's a 40 amp fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth fuse from left to right, or the fifth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth fuse from right to left in that mega fuse box. Okay, right here. So if you start right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it should be actually a 40 amp fuse. Yep, right here, and you can see through the glass if it's good or bad. If not, we have a special video that explains how to test that fuse box, mega fuse, guys. But you will need to disconnect the car battery. It really matters how you do that, because you can burn your engine, computer, electronics modules. So we have a special video that explains how to safely disconnect and reconnect car battery. But those are the fuses for the AC system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.